Hi, I'm T from TDSFair and welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to model two badges. Now, I got a request at our emails to model a badge from Command and Conquer, the GDI logo, and a badge from the movie Hunger Games or the book Hunger Games. Now, I have no idea how the logo is called, but I will show you in a minute. So, I got this request for these two objects, so it's one logo, but we can say it's a badge, the GDI logo, because we are going to transform the logo into a 3D object. And also the second badge from the Hunger Games. Uh, so we are going to do these two objects. Now, the GDI logo is really simple to do, but the logo from Hunger Games, it's a bit harder to do because it looks like a bird inside a circle. So there is already really a 3D object in the badge. It's not absolutely 3D. I will show you what I mean, but it's a bit harder. So I never did something like this kind of transforming. So, but sometimes it's the first time for everyone. So I will try to do that. And also, I really try to answer all the requests you gave us, but sometimes it's really hard to fulfill everything. And if we already did something similar, I don't see a big reason to do one more time the same or similar thing. So I'm sorry if I didn't fulfill all the requests, but I really try, or we are trying here to this year. So I think let's go to model. So we'll be doing first the logo for the badge from Hunger Games. Now I'll be doing it in centimeters. So let's go to in setup and set this to centimeters. So your favorite unit, so millimeters, so it doesn't matter. It's up to you. Now I will be using just the shade mode. I don't want to use any other thing like the nitrous driver, the realistic mode, because it's useless right now. And first of all, we'll place here our reference picture. So I will draw here just a plane, nothing else. Now let's press M, some empty slot. We'll use just the standard material. We don't need the Archon design, diffuse, bitmap, and this one. Now let's notice this. We need this ratio also here, so it shouldn't be big because it's just a badge. So I don't know, let's divide it by 100, so we'll have something like this. So really a small object here, and let's place it there. Turn this on to see everything, like the picture, which we don't know that. And we'll place here also the second one. So I will just place this one here. Copy this plane. Just copy, and let's change it to this. Now this is bigger, but according to this will be modeling. According to this, we'll just see how it looks in real. So okay. Let's rename it to second. Let's place it here, and I think can just make something like this. So now, what's the name of that? It's really like MockingJay. It's really hard to pronounce for me, but it's this logo from Hunger Games, or the badge. So I will be trying to model this according to this, but we'll also look a bit here. And this is why I told it's like 3D, but not absolutely 3D, because it's not like actually bird. It's a bit flat. As you can see, the wing here, it really looks that it's absolutely flat, like the fibers of the wing, or how it's called. So it's like I would say semi 3D bird, not absolutely 3D, but like semi. Okay, let me change a bit to tell that part. I think. like that. So I will move it somewhere here, and we'll start to model that. Of course, we'll start from the bird. I mean, the circle here will be the last part of that. So what I will do, I will start from a plane. I will rename that to Hunger Games Badge. And I don't know, oops. Okay, great. My bad for that. I think I renamed that. Oh, okay. Well, okay, let's first create the plane. Like this would be the best thing. So let's turn on autograde. Let's make here something. Move it a bit forward. Okay, this one we will rename to this. Oops. This I will just like name it like H. And I will just change the color. And we have the basic plane. Press Alt X to see through. And we'll start from this shape. Now, this first step here should be to define the shape of that. We will have to keep attention to some lines which I want to keep there, and so on. So it's like the wing here, and then the body is again something different. So if we look here, so we could say that here's the whole wing, like in the back. Here we start in the body with this wing. Here's the tail, and here's the head. So okay, one more time. We should turn off the bottom on the mouse. Okay, so I don't know. We can start from this point. So convert to poly, and we'll start in the vertex mode, of course, and we'll first snap some important points of the wing of the first one, and create just something like this. Now I will straight connect these ones because I will need to create also this, and I'm not absolutely decided how to do the stuff here. No, I don't know how it's called in English. So we'll see. The best will be, of course, to do it with a map. It will be so much easier than to model everything. Because to model everything, of course, will take a lot of time. But of course, we will see how it will look at the end. No, wait, I will just like check this. I will delete this for a while. And I think I will start from a different point. I'll just turn to this object. I think I will start from here. I will try to follow these things actually a bit. I think later it will help me to finish the model. I hope. And if we look on this here, so okay. Oops. So hold on Shift, and I'll place this one here, straight here. So I think first of all I will just track here some faces to see the most important points. Oops, my bad. I right click on the plane behind the reference picture and face and this. So like this we will not select that. And okay. Oh, this will be very interesting to do. I already know that. Oops. Hold on Shift. Check this a bit. The basic shape is of course not so hard, but the details would be a headache here. And also about that, I'm a bit afraid. Okay, but we'll see at the end, of course, how it will be looking. I hope at least it will be looking not so bad. Now, sculpting software would be great to use, of course, to do it just like this. With the polys, it's not the most effective way to do things, and I'm sure you know that. But I don't have any sculpting. Yeah, we could use sculptures, but let's be honest. Actually, it never worked with that any much. So I don't know if it would be like the best idea to start here. Okay, this looks like a basic wing. Let's select this, having that, and connect it. Oops. I think 3 times or 4 times have to be okay. and yeah, actually I will just connect it once so far. And control word. I will move every single or everything together somewhere here and try to adjust a few things, and probably also this one to have nice symmetry. Having also that connected again. Control word one more time. I will remove everything, and this at the end I will put back. And the last one here. Connect. Control word. Just a bit. I think this is also quite fine. So a lot of bodies actually. We'll see at the end how it will look. Okay, this is one of the main shapes, so I would say, or some kind of shape from which we will start to model more. So okay, we'll start from here. So we'll just drag it right here. The fun part will be transforming this plane, literally plane, to the 3D object. Yeah, that will be the fun part. But I'm looking forward to that. So like that. So let's try to end this one here. This would be this one will be a bit longer, and I think we can also move these a bit down. So we are somewhere here. We'll select this one and okay. Let's stop here a bit and let's do here a bit more of the polys. Now I will move some stuff a bit here and there to adjust it to the shape, of course, a bit more because so far we didn't adjust it much. So like that. Now we already have a lot of polys there. I'm really looking forward how this will look at the end. I don't know. Here I don't know. Let's go just like these few times. Oops. So I'll stop somewhere here. This one somewhere here. Now, of course, I'm telling it one more time with a map. This will be, let's say, easier to do. Much easier, I think, to create a map for this. Be like, okay, no problem. Let's go to Photoshop very quickly, but uh, let's say the transforming of this kind of object here it's a bit interesting also for me, so why not to try. I always like to try new things like the Iron Man helmet. So the first time I did some kind of model like that, I think it was a great experience for me as well, for you. I hope you like that tutorial, of course. So what are control? So of course I'm open to stuff like that, and I really like to learn new stuff as well, and I hope you will like also this one, no matter how it will look at the end. Okay, I think we can weld this together. Okay, now the wing. Okay, I think we can push this view. Which we'll have here a triangle bar. I'm okay with that. Here we go. Got that. We'll maybe fix that later. Okay, we can touch it weld this one here. Okay. Now a few times up. I hope I'll not start the model one more time after I will finish the plane model. You know, it's happened sometimes that without a model everything looks like, oh great, this will be a very easy model, and after a while you realize like, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? This of course happen all the time. I will say I'm an expert in this. And the worst scenario is like, okay, first adjust that. You try something, everything is working well, like, oh, this is very easy to do, and you can forward to model that, and you start to record, and you will not model anything, because it's like, what I did here, what I did there, and you're trying to remember the steps you did before. But the problem is that usually the first time when you start something, you have the best results, and just like if you're starting something one more time and so you always forgetting something, and it's like it's not absolutely good. We will see. We will end with this one. Okay, I think we can jump straight here. Anyway, I don't like much that these first here going very near to each other. And actually I can't even, yeah, I would like, need to like end them somewhere here, and then we'll see. Okay, there we go, the one. Okay, still we have few which we can use. Okay, but of course we'll connect this once. Not the best connection I saw, because for us it would be probably the best somehow to adjust it like this. Maybe. Okay, the wing there is a bit rotating, that's the problem for us. Right now, but so far so good, so we'll see. Okay, probably good. Change a bit the appearance of this edge. And we are here. I think this one will be okay. 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 Now the fun part, the head part. I think we already had one fun part, so this will be the headache part. Okay. Go like 1, 2, and 3. A bit, of course, of adjustments there. Now, thinking, why not? Crack here one more. The tip of the head. Okay. Let's go somewhere here. Okay. Of course, I think it would be wise to stop here. And like this. Still I'm thinking like, oh, to use a bump map or displacement map. It's the best, it's the best, it's the best. And of course, this we can do later, like if we have finished the rest of the things. Okay, now let's look here. So we have a lot, quite a lot of pulleys and other stuff here. And now we'll try to make a bit more of the adjustments there. Like I'll go to my cut tool and cut here, straight there. Now, oops, let's go here. Try to, oops, chamfer this, do something like that. Now, first of all, no, better, I will delete this and also this first, so we'll have here this kind of shape. And like that. Actually, I think the small touched weld will not ruin anything, and we'll have here this kind of poly, which will be ended here. So we'll weld this to this, or maybe not. Oh, I will see. Or better, we'll see. Now let's go here. Okay. Very quick look. Now, okay, one more time. Okay. So I'll move it and move it back. Okay, I think I will ring this and connect. Okay, and I will move this a bit more together. Yeah, no, we'll end up here. Okay. Okay, I think it will be horrible at the end. Okay, so we have a lot of, quite a lot of polys, which is good. I'm still thinking how to do this kind of stuff, to model that. Okay, I'm not sure about this, but here will be a very important step. We will now extrude up something. So yeah, extrude will not spell. And as you can see, like first of all, let's go here. We'll extrude everything. Oh, this is of course too much. Let's go somewhere here and I don't know, 0.1 centimeter I think will be quite enough for this kind of badge. Now we have to think about what we are doing. Like we extruded this part here, but like if we deselect front view, let's go. Oh, okay. This part, we are on here on this level, so we need to extrude again this part here. So we'll do like a step a bit, but this time we can actually use the bevel. I hope so. Not sure everywhere. So we'll see. Okay, first of all, the height. This is the smallest value so far. I don't see any cursing of the words, which is okay, of course. So I think this will be fine. So okay. So now we have the second level, and now there are just areas which are higher than the rest, like the head, here the body a bit. But this we will do now with local dragging out, I would say. So if we go here to the head, which is okay, also this part. Let's go with this tool. Not afraid that. Okay, this we can leave. Oops. No. Yes, this one. Deselect. So we'll drag this a bit. Just a bit. Maybe a bit more. Now I will deselect this and this. How the heck is actually looking? Okay. That zoom. I need to rotate that a bit. So let's go a bit more. Go like this probably. Now, okay. I'll erase this and keep this a bit more down. Now I think I will go just by words. And I think we have to adjust what's okay, quite few. I think without all dicks we'll see a bit more and better. And our intention is to shape this to something. Of course, without the references from all sides, we are a bit in the dark. We don't know how deep this should go. We don't know how up we should go with this. So it's just about the personal taste, how it will be looking, how it will be looking at the end. I think a bit more down here. Okay, at first I would like to do just like some adjustments, then look at that a bit more and so on. You know, just first to shape the things somehow, and then work on them a bit more. You know, also I think this will be the best method how to achieve final results to be quite nice, of course. Front view, of course. Okay. Okay, if we have the first like a light, how to say, the first parts of the head, we can go to the body. The body will be again a bit. There is round, there is no round. Who the hell was designing this? So, quite logical. I'll turn on my brain and start to think how the hell a bird is looking. So let's go with this a bit up with that and with this. So we are rounding the things. Then of course now we'll select so far this one. I don't know if also that. And place this down. Maybe just a bit more than the rest. I think also this one. Let's go down with that. Probably rotating in this kind of view, it would be cool to have a 3D mouse. I saw that once. I was on solid props training, and they hit there to the mouse. It's quite a great thing. You're manipulating the environment with the mouse. It's a whale, of course. It's called 3D mouse, but for nothing to common with a mouse, of course. Now it's ugly or not? I think it's fine. Okay, I will select all of these. And drag this a bit down. Oh, probably also this. Why not? Okay. Okay. Why not also this one? Okay, let's select. So these here we will do the edges a bit different. And it's because I didn't like how what I was looking for. Textured was fine. The bevel too, but not so how I would like to have these kind of things. Now, but here is the strange thing. How I would like to have it. Now, so far we are selecting and moving, and maybe sometimes you're telling what the hell he is doing. And I will say I have no idea. Okay. Now we have this kind of thing there, which I think we even did model. Yes, we did. We did just particularly that. Of course, it's hard to see it here. It's there. Come on, bring that. Oh, here is flow connect. Here's loops, flow connect. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now select these ones. Probably just until there. Okay, we don't want to select that one. But probably like this. That means that from the front view, oops, we'll just adjust that. Okay, okay, okay. I think this is quite okay. Okay, we'll shoot that. The small value. So far okay, maybe. Thinking what to do with this. We could like hold on. Yeah, actually we could end it here. So what I will do, I will again will connect. I'll go to my cut tool, create here this, and I did it's absolutely perfect here. Delete this and try bridge. Cool. The bridge is looking very strange. Okay, we'll not go with bridge. Actually, yes, but with edges. Bridge here, and we'll cut this one. Okay. Now there is some also here. I will use the same value. This time I will touch it weld here. This one down. The head is looking small. We can fix that very quickly. What else we could destroy here? Or move. Of course, looking at this kind of model, it's quite nice that we are in this kind of point. I already know that stuff would be a bit harder than I thought, but I need now something. I need to see how it's looking. Actually, just a few cracks. I'm quite happy with it. The rest of that is looking not so bad. A bit surprised. I thought it would be much more ugly. So far it's quite good. So what else you thought will be? Of course, the fibers, or how the hell it's called, we will not model that. It will be forever. Let's be honest. I don't have. Yeah, of course, you too. We don't have the mood for that, of course. Now, still, we need to change a few things. Of course, I want some of the police I would like to drag down, some of them a bit up. Okay, like this. This I would like to generally like, drag down to give probably a bit more to the rest. Like it's looking bigger, the rest of the body. Still, we'll have to play with that a bit more. Also, I think what I will do is that select the inside of this. I think it would be quite nice. You will see what I mean in a sec. Okay, let's select them like this. We'll drag them a bit down. Now, I'll deselect them like this. Drag them a bit more. I think one step there, like that. Yeah, and should do there like you see this kind of line, which is quite nice. Okay, now back to the rest, the duck, or the bird, whatever it is. How do I think generally drag this up? Hope we can do that. Oh, we'll see. So we have that. Now drag it up, and I think also a bit. Let's go back the front view. Scale that a bit. Okay, let's see. Yeah, now it's better. Now it's bigger. That's what we wanted to do. Okay, also the body, or the part of the body, which is here. This part, like just a bit. Deselect the corners a bit more. Okay, deselect more, a bit more to have it bigger, and the rest, of course, a bit more deeper all around. So it's trying to look like the stuff on the image, and so on. Okay. Oops. What I pushed. I don't like to push things, all around. A lot of keys on the keyboard. You can push something and you'll be like, oh my god, what I did again. Of course, happening to me all the time. Front view. I think I will also stop in a while. Just like to look on this line here a bit. Okay, I think the best will be no, it will be not. Maybe to play with that. Oh, okay, very nice. Okay, touched well this one here down. Got about that. Or not? Ah, I see. It's a bit more complicated. Still, I think the weld here and maybe a move in this direction. And in this direction should quite do the job. Okay, let's play with that a bit more, then I think I will stop the recording, because I think it's recording quite for a while and I would like to rest. And of course, to think. Let's move this. Okay. To think about, because I need to do the map for this. So yes, of course, we will go with the map. So it's also because if you see the count of the polys we already have, and try to imagine that we'll do a bit more just to do the stuff which I have still no idea how it's called in English. It will be very time consuming. This is the word I was trying to find. But I think we could do this the mount. Should go actually from here and here in two parts. Should be actually one. Okay, we'll see. But we need this and this. Oops. I have something. Just delete that. And extrude. Extrude is what I'm searching for. We'll extrude that now. No. I would like to make it. Yeah. Use the scale tool to make flat the initial police, well, not police, but edges. Now, I think I'll start first with the bottom. Surely, if I'm thinking now right, I'm doing something bad. I will not do it from two objects. Let's go back. We'll of course do it as a whole. Much easier. Not easier, I don't know. I'm just the guy who's recording this. Oh, forgot. It's opening the mount. Damn. Okay, we'll see. First extrude. Anyway, we'll see. I'm not decided absolutely. All the X here. I will move this a bit. And let's go firstly to somehow to adjust everything. Oh, where we are. Here we are. Okay, the scale moved that a bit more than I thought. Or not? No, I don't know. I think I would like. Okay, we'll start. We'll continue in the next part. I decided right now. So, thanks for watching so far. I hope you like my duck, but it doesn't matter. So, like this, we'll also continue in the next part, where I hope we'll finish this. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next part. Bye bye.